It's Bonnie. Happy Tuesday. Check it out. I am back and I have got the Ipsy collection for November, which includes the Glam bag, the BoxyCharm, and the giant icon box. I'm so excited. I got to share these with you. So Ipsy now, there's a link below, by the way. The Glam bag is $14, and Ipsy does send me these each month to review. I have not even opened the Glam bag. I did open the other two boxes just to do a little peek. But I didn't open the little bag yet. Okay. Oh, this is pretty for November. Oh my gosh, it's pink. Check it out. I like this. The Glam bag is $14. And I'm going to dig in here. The Glam bag, you get 5 products. Ooh, did I get a mascara? I think I might be seeing a mascara. No, I get a brow setter. Oops. So this is the bag. I think I'm going to put this like right in my purse. This is going to match my Harry Potter Vera Bradley. So I did get a brush. I got the Formula Transformation brush. Always fun to get a brush. I got the Grown Alchemist Polishing Face Exfoliant. I got the Most Wanted Estate. What is this? Is this mascara? What the heck is this, you guys? I'm going to figure out what that is. I don't even know what that is. If I can open it really quick. What is it? It looks like it could be mascara. No. It looks like lipstick. It's lipstick. What is this? I don't think it has a scent, but it's pretty. It's like a pink. Okay, little lipstick there. I got, oh, what is this? This is an eyeshadow, or this is V Cosmetic. It's a shimmer powder. And then I did get the Benefit 24-hour brow setter. So that was the $14 Glam bag. Next up is the $30 per month. This is the BoxyCharm box. You're going to get full-size products in this one. So what did I get this month? I haven't really looked. I just kind of popped the box open. I got the Kira Moon Super Hydra Serum. Got one of those. And then I also got the Misha Beauty Sheer Glow Primer. Oh my gosh. You can always use a good primer. Check that out. Primer is so important. Primer really helps. So I got a primer. I also got, oh, I like this. This is the Galactic Lash Play Duo Mascara. I've used this before. I do like this. This is a nice product. I always love getting mascara. That's like a highlight. Ooh, look at the packaging. This is gorgeous. Check that out. Mascara, always a good thing to have. It's funny because, this is the dual end one. I don't know if I've had this one. I've had Galactic. Look, there's like a small end and a larger one. Okay, that's cool. It's the duo one. I'm excited. I got the Anastasia Beverly Hills Satin Lipstick. Let me see the shade. I'll keep this. Some of the stuff I give to my daughter or my mother, but oh, that's pretty, actually. I'm going to put this on over my lipstick. I'm actually wearing darker lipstick, so I'm not sure it's going to work. This is like a nice, like neutral shade if you don't want something too bright, but that's nice. And then I also got, check it out. Everything is falling. I got a palette. This is always fun. Oh, this one is actually super pretty. It's Destino from Alamar Cosmetics. It kind of looks like a Southwest palette, which is kind of fun for this time of year because the colors are like bright and pretty. Here, let me pull this out. I actually love these colors. Oops, how do I open this? Is this like a pullout? What the heck? Why? Oh, this is actually kind of cool. So it opens like this. That's actually kind of, oh my gosh. Oh, look, I've never seen anything like this before. You have to move. It like locks. I've never seen that. That's kind of cool, actually. Okay. But look at the shades on this. These are actually gorgeous. I don't usually wear blues, but that's pretty. I like this coral, loving the purple. So really, really pretty palette. And then you close it, and then I've never seen like a locking palette. So that was kind of interesting. So that was actually the $30 BoxyCharm box. And then now I got the big one. I got the Icon box. So this one is $60 a quarter. So you get this one every 3 months, and in this one you get 8 full-size products worth up to $350. So first up we have the Patchology gel. These are the eye patches. They're like little eye patches that you put on, and it just kind of helps the under eye wrinkles. Those are always good. Always good to have those. So I got those. I got the Speak Love. Oh, this looks like a glossy lip treatment oil. That's always fun to have. So I got that. Next up, I guess another mascara. Oh my gosh, yes. The Pat McGrath Labs. I've never owned anything from Pat McGrath, honestly. I was like, their stuff is really pricey. Oh, that's exciting. I don't even know what the retail is on this. Oh my gosh, this is actually stunning. I'm gonna have to look up the retail on this one. Wow. I didn't know we got that. That's exciting. Oh, Bobbi Brown highlighter powder. This is a good box this month. Actually this quarter. This is a quarterly one. Oh my gosh, the Bobbi Brown highlighter palette. Let's see what shade this is. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is actually stunning. Look at this. Oh, I'm gonna have to try this one out. That's a good holiday one. All right. Okay, I'm loving this. Okay, next up we have Dew of the Gods. This is the Retinol Oat Milk Hyaluronic Cream Blend. I'll have to try that out. I also got Act Plus Acre Cold Processed Stem Cell Scalp Serum. I've never heard of this before, but I will certainly research that. I got the Murad Rapid Collagen Infusion. And then finally, what else did I get here? I got the Laura Mercier. This is a caviar stick eye color. So that's cool. I'm just really curious about this Pat McGrath mascara. That's like the one I'm like, oh, I love this stuff. Like I said, I've never actually bought anything only because I'm like, their stuff is really pricey. Let me look up mascara. Let me see here. Okay, it's not super overly priced. Their mascara is $34. This is a $34 one. But I'm excited to try it. I never tried it before. So I got that. And then let me see what the Bobbi Brown. Bobbi Brown. What is this? This is the highlighting powder. That is really pretty. Let me see if I can spell highlighting correctly. Highlighting powder. So overall, I really feel like this is, here it is. Oh, $37. It looks like, oh no, on sale. It's on sale right now at Bobbi Brown for $37, originally $54. So nice product there. So overall, I'm really impressed with the Icon box this time. I feel like we got a nice mix of stuff, lip products, highlighter, the mascara, some stuff for your face. So I'm digging it, you guys. Anyway, thank you so much to Ipsy for sending me all 3 boxes this month. I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.